Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Dubey and today I am going to show you how to use iFrame and what is iFrame. So iFrame is nothing but you can display website pages, other website pages in your own website page. Like if you want to show advertisement, if you want to show some HTML code in your one page and from outsourcing, so you can display these pages in your web page. So that one is my iframe.ex.html web page, and here I want to use these two pages. I have table.html, that one first page, and that one is my second page, right? So I want to use these two pages in my iframe HTML file, means in one page. So how to do this? So it's simple. You have to write iframe src and right here your page name like table to table.html, and second is list.txt, table html, and close it icon and just simple comment is like second icon, and here list.html. Go to the page name. You can see here there is one first page and then one second. So you can display a lot of pages. You can define your item width and height also. So I'm going to define height. Height is something 300 and width is something 500. And now I'm going to use so that one is 500 and 300 and 500, and that one is 500. So you can use your content web page here in one page. Then you can use item and tag as Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and